Fossesholm herregård is a wooden constructed manor in Øvre Eiker in Norway, dating back to the 16th century. In the 18th century, the merchant Jørgen von Kappung beautifully embellished and rebuilt the manor in Rococo style, as it still appears today. The estate is a national treasure and was one of the very first buildings listed as a protected heritage site in 1923. The decor within the building includes hand-painted and hand-printed wallpaper. The canvas wallpaper collection from the 1700s is the largest in Norway and is irreplaceable. A fire here is our worst fear.
Initially, Fossesholm had a water sprinkler system installed in parts of the main building. It was clear, however, that they were not happy with this as a solution, as they feared the water could cause too much damage. At the time, the standard methods of protection within the heritage industry was water sprinkler systems, and the Directorate of Cultural Heritage was steadfast in the belief that Fossesholm should be protected with water. Our analysis, however, proved that the sprinkler system was not the right choice of fire protection in this instance.
We set about proving the superior capabilities of a fire eater Inogen system through multiple live discharges. The first live test was conducted with great success at Fossesholm. The Fire Brigade, Director of Cultural Heritage, insurance representatives and representatives from the Fire Protection Association were all in attendance.
A sprinkler system is designed to suppress and to control a fire until the fire brigade arrives and can put it out. Whereas an Inogen system is controlled and activated by a smoke detection system, it detects the fire at an early stage and extinguishes the fire completely with no risk of reignition. Inogen works by reducing oxygen levels to 12%, a level that's sufficient to maintain life within an oxygen-depleted environment. Inogen is a 3D volume-based extinguishing agent. It possesses the capability to reach into the furthest corners. This behavior allows us to place nozzles covering 50 cubic meters in floors, walls, or ceilings.
As in any beautiful building, it is imperative that the hardware of our system is completely out of sight. With no floor or ceiling voids, it took a lot of careful planning to ensure that nozzles and pipework remain hidden.
Ultimately, Inogen was chosen because of its efficacy, but also because it provided a less visible system. The nozzles are placed within close proximity to particularly vulnerable artifacts, and in some instances, if you look very carefully, you may spot a nozzle hidden by a piece of furniture.
Fossesholm currently has a fire eater Inogen system protecting both the building and its precious contents. The system protects the first and second floors with 2 bottle banks located in the basement. In total, there are 33 cylinders, which offer protection to 4 different areas. We have since revisited Fossesholm in order to extend the system to protect the attic. This was achieved easily by adding zone valves, meaning that no additional cylinders were required. In the future, there are plans to further extend the system to protect other buildings at Fossesholm. The relationship established between Fossesholm officials and fire eater continues to flourish, and together we have formed an advocacy for the use of Inogen systems in the heritage sector. Working together, we are challenging the accepted norms in the area of fire protection for national heritage sites in Scandinavia and around the world.
I am very happy in the choice we made to secure an Inogen system and the protection it offers Fossesholm. I hope that our collaboration with Fire Eater can help to change the views on fire protection within the heritage industry.